Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best motorcycle dash cams that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Cameco Motorcycle Dash Cam. If you're on a budget but still want decent functionality, this dash cam gets the job done at a very affordable price point of $39.99. It features front and rear cameras with wide-angle lenses, offering a basic 120-degree front and 90 degrees rear coverage. The 3-inch display includes a split-screen preview, which is a nice touch for its price. Additionally, the included 32GB TF card and loop recording feature mean you won't have to worry about running out of storage. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures that it can handle rain and dust, making it reliable for basic weather conditions. In terms of design and build quality, the unit is compact and easy to install, which is ideal for motorcycles, dirt bikes, and even golf carts. The main device can be tucked under your seat, minimizing exposure to the elements. However, the display resolution is limited to 480p, which means video quality isn't as sharp as higher-end models. Night vision is present, but not particularly strong, so don't expect crystal clear footage in low-light conditions. Overall, the Cameco Dashcam is perfect for riders who want essential features without breaking the bank. However, its lack of advanced features like GPS or app control and limited video quality make it less suitable for riders looking for comprehensive coverage or high-resolution footage. Pros: affordable price, dual cameras, and IP67 waterproofing. Cons: low video resolution, no advanced features like GPS or Wi-Fi. At number 4, we have the Ninin Motorcycle Dash Cam. Priced at $99.99, this mid-range option offers front and rear 1080p cameras with a wide-angle 160-degree lens. The video quality is decent for its price, ensuring you capture clear footage of your rides. Its IP67 waterproof and dustproof design is a step up, allowing it to handle various weather conditions effectively. Night vision capability is included, making nighttime riding safer. Though the performance is not as advanced as higher-end models, the unit supports up to 128GB micro SD cards, so you'll need to purchase additional storage if you want more recording capacity. The design is compact and discreet, making it easy to install under your seat for a clean look. It features app control, allowing you to preview footage or adjust settings directly from your smartphone. Emergency recording, triggered by collisions or vibrations, ensures critical footage is saved during unexpected incidents. However, the lack of a dedicated display screen limits user convenience, as all interactions are app-based. This could be a downside for riders who prefer a standalone device. The Ninin Dashcam is ideal for riders looking for a step up from budget models, offering solid video quality and essential features without going overboard. However, its reliance on app control and lack of premium features like GPS or 4K resolution might be a deal breaker for some. Pros: dual 1080p cameras, compact design, IP67 waterproofing. Cons: no built-in screen, limited advanced features. At number 3, we have the Weaste Motorcycle Dashcam. This model stands out with its impressive array of features at $179.96. It combines a dual 1080p camera system with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, making it a multifunctional device for tech-savvy riders. The inclusion of a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, adds an extra layer of safety, providing real-time tire pressure updates to avoid potential issues on the road. Its 6.25-inch IP67 waterproof touchscreen offers excellent visibility, with a resolution of 1560 by 720, and the automatic light sensing chip ensures usability in various lighting conditions. The design is robust yet sleek, with easy installation suitable for all motorcycles. The built-in 128GB SD card is generous compared to other models, meaning you'll have plenty of space for your recordings. The digital wired controller allows for easy navigation between screens and functions, making operation intuitive even for first-time users. However, the unit's larger size may not appeal to riders who prefer a more discreet setup. The Stay dashcam is perfect for riders who value connectivity and advanced features like GPS navigation and TPMS. It's particularly suited for long-distance riders or those who frequently travel in varied weather conditions. Pros: dual cameras, CarPlay, Android Auto support, TPMS, large touchscreen. Cons: larger size, slightly higher price point. At number 2, we have the CarPlay W712D motorcycle CarPlay screen. Priced at $279.99, this dashcam offers a unique combination of functionality and innovation. Its 7-inch HD IPS touchscreen is rotatable, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape modes depending on your needs. The dual 1080p cameras provide excellent coverage at 140 degrees wide angles, and the split-screen functionality lets you monitor both views simultaneously. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration is seamless, enabling you to access phone features like navigation and music without distractions. The design is rugged and weatherproof, with an IP67 rating and an anti-theft detachable bracket for added security. The wired controller is intuitive, allowing riders to switch screens, answer calls, or lock videos with ease. Installation is straightforward, and the unit includes a 64GB TF card for storage, although upgrading to a larger capacity may be necessary for extended use. Performance-wise, the CarPlay dashcam is highly responsive, with minimal lag in touchscreen operation and video recording. This dashcam is ideal for riders who want a premium display and advanced connectivity options. It's particularly suited for those who use their motorcycle for commuting or long trips, where navigation and multimedia features come in handy. Pros: rotatable touchscreen, dual cameras, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. Cons: higher price, storage limitations with included TF card. Finally, at number 1, we have the Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K Dashcam. This premium model takes the top spot with its cutting-edge features and impeccable performance. Priced at $399.99, it offers dual recording in 4K front and 1080p rear, capturing stunningly detailed footage. The 160°C wide viewing angles ensure comprehensive coverage, reducing blind spots significantly. Built with Starvis technology, the night vision performance is exceptional, making this dashcam perfect for nighttime riders. Its IP67 waterproof rating guarantees reliability in all weather conditions, and all accessories are designed to withstand rain, snow, and dust. The Vantrue F1 is packed with advanced features, including GPS for mileage statistics, real-time speed tracking, and route info. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for effortless video downloads and sharing via the Vantrue app, and the OTA firmware updates ensure the device stays up to date without disassembly. The wired remote control adds convenience, letting you lock videos, take pictures, or start emergency recording with a click. Installation is straightforward with its innovative 3-section cord design, and the unit supports up to 512 GB memory cards for extensive storage. This dashcam is the ultimate choice for riders seeking the best in video quality, durability, and advanced features. It's perfect for long-distance touring, extreme weather conditions, or riders who prioritize safety and high-resolution recordings. Pros: 4K front camera, GPS integration, exceptional night vision, advanced app connectivity. Cons: premium price, larger file sizes, require high-capacity storage cards. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.